Want to turn the tables and have her chasing after you? Break any girl's ego with these unexpected tactics that will leave her wondering what hit her. Ensure you catch all the action by tuning in for the entire video. Tricks number 2 and 3 are absolute game changers, so don't miss out. Trick number 10, tease her. That dress is all right, but I prefer the black one. Wear that next time. This will shock her. Everyone normally bows to her. She will try to impress you next time, and her doing this breaks her ego. She will even wear that black dress next time. Trick number 9, shift the focus away from impressing her. In a world where everyone is vying for her attention, stand out by prioritizing your own enjoyment over trying to impress her. When you focus on amusing yourself rather than seeking her approval, she'll quickly notice your authenticity and confidence, setting you apart from those who try too hard to win her over. Number 8, starve her off your attention. Yeah, she wants to spend time with you, but the more you give her your attention, the more she sees you as a low-value person, because she will think she can do whatever she likes with you or tell you what she wants you to do. Do not be too available for her. Let her miss your presence and attention. Let her know that you have a life apart from being with her. Even if you are available, you need to play the game. Number 7, never get jealous of other men being around her. Never make her feel that you are scared of losing her to other men. Yes, she is beautiful and attractive, and other men will want to try their luck with her, or she might try to make you jealous. Do not react, for this shows you are not confident enough and that other men are better than you and can take your place. You have to feel relaxed and not give a about it. Number 6, never tell her, "I love you." Never make her feel you are ready to have a commitment with her. This is where the mind game starts, and she'll start playing with your feelings and emotions. Just make her feel you enjoy having her around, and you have other options you can probably switch to anytime. Always make her expect you to say the word, "I love you," but never say it. You can make her feel like the commitment will happen anytime soon. The less you ask for commitment, the more she'll expect it. This only works if she's really into you. Number 5, maintain a cool demeanor. Avoid showering a girl with excessive compliments or making her feel overly validated. Instead, create an atmosphere where she feels she must earn your attention and approval. Refrain from solely praising her appearance. Instead, acknowledge her accomplishments and strengths. By not constantly boosting her ego, you establish yourself as a high-value individual, making her more inclined to pursue you. Number 4, never validate her. Want to destroy her ego? Follow the golden rule. Never validate her. Don't give her the satisfaction of knowing she's caught your attention. Instead, remain unbothered and indifferent to her actions and words. This will drive her crazy and make her work harder to impress you. Remember, validation is the fuel that feeds an inflated ego, so cut off the supply and watch her ego deflate like a punctured balloon. Don't fall for her tricks and never give her the upper hand. Be in control and always be the one calling the shots. Empower yourself and watch her ego crumble, leaving you in the driver's seat of the relationship. Number 3, look at other women's. Want to shake things up on your next date with your significant other? Try confidently looking at other women in front of her. It may sound counterintuitive, but this subtle move can actually lower her ego and make her more interested in you. Don't overdo it by having hour-long conversations with other women, but try sending a text or call to a female friend while on your date. You'll be surprised at how your partner may respond with a hint of jealousy. So next time you're out on a date, don't just focus all your attention on her. Be confident and play it cool. Number 2, don't show interest in sleeping with her. Want to know the secret to winning over a woman? Don't act too eager to sleep with her. Showing too much interest can boost her ego and push her away. Instead, act casual and uninterested. The key is to have a leaving mentality and not to appear as though you need anything from her. This approach may seem counterintuitive, but trust us, it works. The guys who couldn't care less are the ones who become successful with women. So, next time you're trying to catch her eye, remember to play it cool. Number 1, don't text her. Make her chase you. Let her wonder why you're not texting her back. By not giving her the validation she craves, you're taking away her power and making her work harder to keep your attention. Remember, in today's digital age, instant gratification is the norm. So by not texting her back, you'll be sending the message that you're not easily impressed. Keep your cool and make her work for it, and watch her ego deflate as she realizes she's not the center of your universe. Make her earn your attention and watch her ego crumble. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure to subscribe my channel and comment your thoughts. Bye-bye.
Remember, if I die it wasn't an accident, follow Man's Hubs.